Fire!
We're here in Melaka Chinatown, aka Jonker Street. We're here to get some rice chicken ball. Oh wait, it's closed. Oh no, famous rice chicken ball is closed. I'll take a look. This is what it looks like. What's the famous chicken rice ball place? I don't know why it's closed today. And then this is the Jonker walking street. And this guy's got a song cock hat, which I've been trying to find everywhere. Maybe we should buy it off of him. And this is Lou La La. Lou La La. Ooh. The chicken rice ball set here. And then we got the, what's this called?
Nasi lemak, but rendang.
Some chicken nasi lemak. It's got like some green looking rice.
Yeah.
And we got some apple, special apple juice concoction. Today we eat good, finally. Look at that. It's the milk snow ice with mangoes and ice cream. And there we go. Oh, that's really nice.
Subscribe, mother.
That's really good. You can taste the milk, the snow ice, and the mango. It's really good. Eat dessert. If not now, when?
When? I know.
So I'm here, living the life that I want. Why aren't you? Subscribe now. Turn.
I like them. I approve.
Well, he just made a purchase. I got my Yakuza glasses. It's gonna go well for my Yakuza photo shoot. Oh no, not Totoro.
Yes, Tata.
No, no. Always Totoro.
Always. Always.
This is curry bread.
It's like samosas.
Samosas. Alright, we got these curry samosa looking things here. Look at that. Smells really good. Ooh. Alright. Nice and hot. Definitely samosa. Curry. Well, there we go. That's Jonker Walk Melaka here in Malaysia, the Chinatown of Melaka. It's pretty crazy, very colorful, a lot of places to eat at, a lot of things to see and do. And I'm all blue, all blue. Damn this color. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment, share with your friends. Everything that YouTube law dictates. So until next time, peace.